Ayan. Opening ng LTO Extension Office. Ayan. Mag-parade. Good morning mga kamoto. Dito tayo ngayon sa Lupon. Lupon, Davao Oriental. Opening ng LTO Extension Office. Ayan o. Ayun. Inauguration of LTO Lupon Extension Office. Nasa loob o. Tingnan natin ha. Ayun. Open na mga kamoto. Ayun. Oh, grabe kindi oh. Open na yung LTO Lupon. Ayun oh. Open na mga kamoto. Ayun. August 20. Yung open dito sa LTO Lupon. Dito kami mag-breakfast. Oh. The Bay Kitchen. Okay, dito kami mag-breakfast mga kamoto. Ayun. Oh. Dito kami mag-breakfast. Okay. Okay, breakfast na. Ito. Oh. Juno.
Lupoy.
Nala? Lupoy. Breakfast mo na. Umpisa na.
Effort, and resources. We are deeply honored by the presence of our distinguished guests and partners who have made this milestone possible. Before we formally begin, allow me to acknowledge the distinguished personalities joining us this morning. We are honored to have with us our Honorable Mayor, Santos Q. Alonso Jr., Vice Mayor, Honorable Attorney Christian Lawrence Frensgo, Honorable members of the Sangguniang Bayan, representing the 2nd Congressional District Representative, Honorable Chino Miguel D. Almario, is with us, Honorable Kenneth Tagaro. Our LTO Regional Director for Region 11, Attorney Ernesto Rafael Villarreal. The Chief Administrative Officer of LTO Region 11, Ms. Malu Narca. The Officer in charge of LTO Region 11, Assistant Regional Director, Joelito Mataya. The LTO in charge of Lupon Extension Office, Mr. Mariano Aguilar Jr. Our barangay officials who are around, local government department heads, representatives of national government agencies.
Sa ngalan samahan sa anak ug sa Espiritu Santo. Amen. Langit nung Amahan, nagagayong nagapasalamat kami kanino sa pagkahimugso nining LTO Extension sa lungsod sa Lupon. Diin gihimo mong pinialan ang among mga lideres sa probinsya sa Davao Oriental, ang gipanguluhan ni Gobernador Nelson Dayanhilan, uban ni Chino Almario ug sa among mayor Sani Santos Q. Alonso Jr., sa iyang vice mayor nga si Christian Lawrence Q.
O probinsya na minamahal, sa sumbanan ng Davao, pagwakaw na walaya, yan ako yung utang, malipain kay malanggakaw ng Diyos.
Karong adlaw. So I won't make this is long. Today is not the finish line, but today is the first day. So beginning today, we would expect that more people would become compliant with the law, because as what the polo shirt of our LTO family says, road safety is a shared responsibility. Daghang salamat ug may punta sa tanan.
Daghang salamat to our Governor Nelson Bardayan Hirang, to our Vice Governor Glenda Monetra Baggaita, to our Congressman Chino Miguel Almario, represented by Honorable Kenneth Tagaro, to our LTO Regional Director, Attorney Ernesto Rafael Rubilio, to our Assistant Regional Director, Sir Joelito Mandaya, to our Vice Mayor, Attorney Christian Lawrence Crenchgold, to our Municipal Councilor, Councilor Reynaldo Soliba, Councilor Haji Bunso Barabag, ABC President, Councilor Yvonne Lim Alonzo, SK Federation President.
We now hear from one of the key officials behind the delivery of land transportation services in our region. It is our privilege to invite the Regional Director of the Land Transportation Office Region 11, Attorney Ernesto Rafael V. Rubilio, to share his message.
I'd like to be as short as possible, but please bear my indulgence dahil medyo mahaba yung prepared speech natin ngayong umaga. At any rate, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. To our Governor Nelson Bardayan Hirang, Congressman Chino Del Mario, who's here represented by Honorable Kenneth Tagaro, Municipal Councilor Panay Panay. So yung pagdapig-dabig ng atong mayor, Honorable Mayor Sonny Alonso Jr. Dito sa ating Lupon, Municipality of Lupon. Hindi dahil sa kanya, wala tayo dito naman sa ating opisina at tayo nagsasama ngayong araw na ito. To Honorable Vice Mayor, Attorney Christian Lawrence Go, Honorable Members of the Sangguniang Bayan, ABC President, Ma'am Yvonne Alonzo, our punong barangays, LGU department heads, of course, our OIC ARD, Joel Mandaya, our Chief Admin, Mamalu, Narca, and all of the rest of the LTO district heads and officers, as well as employees who are here present, our partners in government and development, our distinguished guests, most importantly, the people of Lupon, who are waiting to be served today. Maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Today is not simply as what's mentioned, it's not only an opening of another government office. We are opening a new door of opportunity, accessibility, safety, and public service to the people of Lupon. Today, we make history. It is with great honor and privilege, on behalf of the Land Transportation Office Region 11, to welcome everyone to the inauguration of the LTO Lupon Extension Office here in Barangay Poblacion, Municipality of Lupon, Davao Oriental. This is a historic day for Lupon because beginning today, essential transportation services of LTO 11 are being brought closer to the people who needs them most. No longer should distance be a barrier to compliance, nor should accessibility be a reason for delayed transactions. And no longer should our constituents feel that government is tugas today, government becomes closer. Lagi natin nararanasan ang ating mga kababayan, no? Lalo-lalo na sa mga lugar na malalayo, mga gida, and also kahit sa mga barangay-barangay, di nila nararanasan talaga yung mga essential na mga importanteng serbisyo ng ating gobyerno, especially those coming from agencies coming from the national government. Hirap sila matanggap yung ating mga serbisyo. Kaya natin ginagawa itong ating ginagawa. Kaya tayo bubukas ng mga opisina ng LTO para mapaabot natin sa ating mga kababayan ang importanteng serbisyo na dapat nakakamit nila. Kasi hindi lang naman dahil sa serbisyo o makakuha ng lisensya, ang makaparehistro ng sasakyan. Ang bottom line ho dito ay kabuhayan at buhay ng ating mga kababayan. Siyempre, wala kang lisensya, kung wala ang tamang mga sasakyan, tumatakbo dyan, sample na lang yung ating mga komersyo, yung ating mga negosyo, ang ating trabaho. Ang bottom line niya, makapagdala tayo ng pagkain sa ating mga pamamahay, sa ating mga pamilya, hindi natin nagagampanan o nalilimita tayo. So, because today, as I've said, government goes closer to the public that needs it most.
First, no, sa ato ang support, sa ato ang lokal nga panggamahanan. Taas po ang message ni Congressman, I will make it short na lang. 2 minutes ra gid ni siya and 4 hours. Today, we are opening the LTO Lupon Extension Office para sa atong mga motorista, estudyante, kay dool na ta, na tayo Dorso Lupon, o mga pamilya na kinahanglan sa serbisyo sa Land Transportation Office. Ang pasabot nini, mas doon nga serbisyo publiko. Dili na kinahanglan mo ato pagmati sa masagingon ni Vice.
Okay, Sunny Lupon. Heart sign, finger heart. Sunny Lupon. Tapos pwede mag-request, video po eh.
Sige.
Video kanto. Sunny Lupon, go bright, all right po tayong lahat. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Sunny Lupon, go bright, all right!
Okay, mga moto, tapos na. Inauguration. Nandito na lang. Bye-bye.